Corn mill in a cottage, wintertime, Georgian Bay, Ontario. I'm going to talk about a gravity-fed water system inside the cottage where the heat of the cottage keeps it going when I'm here. It's a rudimentary system, but it works, and I've used it for a couple of months now. So let me start here with showing you the system. There's a 35-gallon agricultural tank sitting on a table. The table is about 3 feet high, and you can see the tank. The top of the tank is almost at eye level with me, so maybe 6 feet. The table has to be fairly strong because that full tank weighs about 350 pounds. Coming out of the tank, you'll see a manifold made of PEX. I've used 3/4 inch PEX lines. I want as little resistance to flowing as I can get because this is just a gravity-fed line. But you can see the manifold, this case a homemade manifold with valves at every exit point, which allows me a fair bit of flexibility in directing the water to different places. You can see here now, I bring my water in 5-gallon containers, like the one you see here, and I pump it from here into the water tank. So it takes, in this case, 7 of these containers to fill the water tank. I'm going to go over here to you can see the lines coming out of you can see them coming off the manifold. There you see at the top with the blue valve handles a hot and cold line running to the kitchen sink. And if I come around here past the dishes, you will see a hose and a hose nozzle in my hand, and if I squeeze it, you'll see water coming out. There is a similar line, which is, you can see going down there, which goes off to the bathroom. I just have one line to the bathroom, and I just run lukewarm water through it, which seems to be good enough for the occasional shower or washing my face or brushing my teeth. I'm going to show you just briefly filling the water tank. So I'm plugging in this little pump here. And you'll see the water coming up and going into the tank. So if I do a close-up, you can see the pump. The nice thing about this pump is that it doesn't matter whether you run dry in the container, so I can just let it run and nothing happens at the end. So I'll just unplug this, just stop it for now. So once again, sorry, one thing I didn't talk about, underneath here is a hot water tank, which is fed from the tank on the table. It runs down into the cold water, runs down into the hot water tank, and then it runs out into lines, one to the kitchen and in the line to the bathroom. And there's just a view out. It's a winter time here. So I hope that has given you an idea of how you could put together a simple water system for your cottage. Thank you.